Master the PowerShell ecosystem and elevate your administrative capabilities with professional, industry-standard automation workflows. Transition from basic terminal tasks to building robust, scalable infrastructure solutions as you evolve into an automation expert. Our comprehensive curriculum features 193 learning objectives designed to sharpen your technical precision and command. Immerse yourself in an unrivaled study experience featuring 25 core chapters, 71 hands-on labs, and 72 assessment quizzes. Master 8 foundational pillars, ranging from essential system installation protocols to advanced pipeline logic and object manipulation. Learn to think in objects and manipulate data streams, allowing you to seamlessly filter and sort complex system information. Achieve total control over your environment by mastering precise command discovery and advanced configuration techniques. Transform repetitive manual tasks into efficient and repeatable automated workflows through our advanced logic training. This program is built for professionals dedicated to achieving engineering excellence within modern Windows infrastructure environments. Unlock significant career growth with roles ranging from systems administrator to high-earning automation architect positions. Start your automation journey today and secure your future by enrolling in our complete PowerShell course. If you require further information or have questions, please reach out to our dedicated support team at support@ucertify.com.